Hi, lovely people. How are you? I'm doing great. If you don't follow me on Facebook or Instagram, I will link everything down below. I think it's already linked down below, but I said on there today is November 7th and is my son's 23rd birthday. And I'm like, I can't believe I have a son who's 23. But anyway, if you read from my description, I'm going to be showing you a different unboxing. So this is a Boxycharm unboxing, but it's not a regular Boxycharm. It is a Summer's Eve Boxycharm. And let me explain a little bit what it was. So last month, I also said this on one of my live streams. Summer's Eve was having this thing that if you bought two things from Summer's Eve and you emailed them on the link a receipt that you bought it before October 27th, you were able to get a free Boxycharm box. And so I did that to see what it was like. It's something that Summer's Eve and a Boxycharm were kind of collabing about, and you didn't even have to spend a lot of money. I think altogether I spent maybe $6 or $7, if that, so which was nice. Now, this wasn't supposed to start being shipped off to November 16th, so I was shocked when I got this in the mail today. And I did open it up because I'm like, I wonder what we got in here. So that's what it looks like. It has a little sticker that says Summer's Eve. And if you watch to the end, I'm going to tell you what I have on my face. And I want to start something different where I tell you about the products and what I think of them that I am using on my face. And I'll do that at the end of each video. That way, because I know some people come on and they just want to know what's in the boxes. All right, so when I opened it up, it came like this. And it didn't come with like one of them pamphlets that usually Boxycharm comes with every month. If you don't know, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription, and you are guaranteed to get over $100 worth of retail value, which lately it's been way over $100. But it came with these two things where it says Summer's Eve, and you have $1 off of any two Summer's Eve products, so that is good. And then over here just tells you a little bit about Boxycharm, and it says always over $100 value, $21 a month, never sample size. But I want to tell you about that. So as I opened it, what this was is a box from last month. Now, I don't know if everybody's getting the same thing that did the thing through Summer's Eve or not, because I haven't seen any unboxings. So I'm just going to show you the first thing I see. I don't have the card from last month's box, so I don't remember the prices. And like I said, it didn't come with the pamphlet. So we got a full-size It Cosmetics Super Hero mascara, which is great because I really did like this. Then we got the Kat Von D lipstick, and this is in a shade Bow and Arrow. This is like a brownish color shade. Last month I got this shade K-Dub, and it was that bright pinkish purple. And I wasn't too fond on the color. I didn't open it up. I did have a sample size of it before, so I did put that one in a giveaway, and that's what this looks like. It's like a brownish color, but I really do like it. So I was hoping to get that color, and I didn't, but I got it now, so that's good. The next thing we got is this Masquerade Palette, and I don't want to open it up because I will put it in a giveaway, so I will show you what mine looked like from when I got it. Let me cover this up somehow so I don't blind you. So that's what it looks like. On this side here, you have the two blushes, one for lighter complexion and one for medium to dark. And over here are two highlighters, one for lighter complexions and one for medium to dark. So I do like the fact that they're catering to all skin tones. And then over here is some eyeshadows, and then you have a mirror right there. So that's good. So this will be going into a future giveaway. Okay, and then I got in my box last month, I got this Sunday Riley, like the bomb, and what else did I get? I can't remember, but with this box, I got what other people got that didn't get that. I got the Ahava. This is a mineral hand cream right there. And this is the Briogeo Don't Repair, like leave-in conditioner, which I really do like this. Now, On this card, it says never sample size. These are 2 sample size, so I know that a lot of people were upset that they got these sample size instead of other people getting full size. And I definitely understand. And now that I'm seeing it in person, they are very small, you know, so I would have been a little upset. But I am not upset with this box because this box was free. Sure, I had to spend a couple dollars a summer's eve, which I already use anyway, so it was just something that I was getting. And you get a free box. So I'm not knocking it. I really like it. I'm glad that they do it. So that is what I got in there. Comment down below, did you get this box? Did you know about the Summer's Eve collab that they're having? Let me know. So let me tell you what is on my face. So I tried out the ColourPop, the new ones, the stick foundations. And it's very hard when you order online, right? Because you can't swatch it to know, is it my color? So I got in the shade 67N for neutral, and then light 40N, and this was light 67. And when I got it, I swatched it on my hand. I'm like, oh my God, that's too peachy and dark. But when I put it on my face, you can see it definitely matches my neck and my chest. So these were perfect matches. But what I tend to do, why I got 2, 1, because I didn't know what color it would be. But what I've been trying lately is I've been taking a darker shade foundation and putting it on the outer of my face, and then going in with a lighter foundation all in my, like my T-zone and all here, and blending it out. I haven't really been using concealer because a lot of concealer is too thick for me and it goes into my fine lines, but I don't have dark circles either. So when I use the foundation, I just use a lighter shade and it works really good. Now, I don't care for these. This would be for me, like in my opinion, if you are somebody that has no kind of like hyperpigmentation, you know, like no redness, no skin spots or anything like that, because it's light to medium coverage, and when you put on a second layer, it does get up to like medium coverage, and if you go any more, it will definitely look cakey. So I like more of a fuller coverage because I do have a lot of sun damage on my face. So I think if you want to spend, because these are $10 a piece, but I think if you want to spend a couple extra dollars, I've really been loving this Covergirl Trublend Matte Made. And this is in the shade M10, and I could probably want a little bit darker. And if you didn't know, Covergirl finally went cruelty-free, so that's great. But I actually like this better than the ColourPop. Also, I have tried, finally, the Tatcha primer, which I really, really like. I do have that on today. I do like it. So really quick, I'll also just tell you I have on the Desi and Katie highlighter in Frago. I don't know how to pronounce that right there. I notice I see my camera is shaking. I gotta figure out what's going on. I've been having nothing but problems. I like to talk with my hands, and I notice when I move a lot, it does shake and like zooms in and out. I am working on that, so please forgive me. For my eyeshadow, I have the Take Me Home by ColourPop, and I really do like these little 6-pan palettes. I only have 3 colors on my eyes. I have this color here for my transition, this on my lid, and I have this to, mine. I have this as a transition, this to deepen up my eye, and then this in my lid. So that's it. But I did also try, I have a sample size of the Kush mascara here. This is by Milk Makeup. I have that on my eyes, and I really, really like this. I'm thinking about getting a full size. And last but not least, on my lips, I have the Give Me Glow Cosmetics in the shade Wilted Rose. And then on top of that, I have been loving these Wet n Wild lip glosses. This is the Zodiac collection, and this is in Capricorn, and I have that on top. So that is everything, guys, that I have on my face. The blush, I think I have the Juvia's Place blush I have, and the bronzer I have, what do I have? Bronzer from BH Cosmetics. I don't have that out, so I can't tell you the shade. So let me know in the comments down below, do you like at the end of my videos that I give kind of tell you what's on my face and a little review what I think of the products? Let me know in the comments down below, or you guys rather just me put in the description box what I'm wearing and, you know, not really talk about it. Let me know. So guys, please like this video if you like unboxings. Like this type of video because it's my son's birthday, and why not? It really helps me out. And like this video if you'd like eyeshadow palettes. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I love you. I always leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. And make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what you are doing on this Wednesday. And did you vote? Let me know if you voted. All right, guys, I'm going to stop babbling. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.